Guys, here is my today's green breakfast recipe. I've taken here maize flour, makki ka atta, onions, and chopped methi. You can add spices of your choice, and I'm going to knead it well with minimum water. So the dough is ready. Make sure it should be little tight. So guys, let me tell you how to make chapati. Out of that, I have taken here the rolling board, and that I am putting one wet kitchen towel. You can make it wet nicely. And now you can take little bit dough, wet your hands, and you have to spread it nicely. You can pour this cloth over the tawa along with the plate. Apply little desi ghee on this and cook it nicely from both the sides. Makki ki roti is ready with beetroot curd.